Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. Right. So, one very important level that I want to highlight today is silver, because if you notice, silver, right, has just broken this key level. Right. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. It's about here. This is a key kind of resistance support that has been broken, right? We see that price, bounce off previously. It reacted off, right? Bounce off, then bounce off again, and finally broke it. So this actually triggers a bigger move to the downside, right? Ideally, even all the way down to here, right? So this is right at the level, so it's a very opportune kind of moment, right? So we're going to put this as our entry, right? And our first target, what I'd like to do is always draw this, and our first target would be 127. It could be a big Fibonacci retracement too. Yeah, 127.78, right? So we're going to play the move. We're not going to play it down too far. We're going to play it down to here, right? This is going to be our take profit, right? This is going to be 127, right? This is going to be 78.6. Very interestingly, it broke the 61.8% retracement too, which is why it gives us more confidence that the price is going to edge down towards this level, right? And in terms of our stop loss, we can keep it really tight. Our stop loss, we can probably just keep it just about here, right, as a stop loss, because price has broken this key level. There's no point, there's no point. We give it a little bit of breathing space in case it comes up to here, right? But what I'm seeing right here is that we should be seeing price make a nice little push down all the way to this level. Okay, with our indicators, we can just throw on our Ichimoku cloud. You can see that there's nice little bearish momentum driving prices down. Right, so these are some of the factors lining up on why we should be looking to short below this level. Right, I think it's the 23.01 level for push down to 22.28 for silver. Okay, I hope you found this analysis useful, and remember, tune in again tomorrow, right? If you have any requests, please send them through. Send them through on just comment on the YouTube channel, and we will take a look at it, right? And remember, tune in again tomorrow, right, for more high probability trading setups using advanced technical analysis, guys. All right, so stay safe and trade safe.